Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and for a long time, getting your default browser and even some default apps to be default in Windows 11 particularly was a tough thing. On Windows 10, it wasn't too bad. You could default. It didn't, do much and didn't reverse decisions much. But Windows 11 was annoying, and the first year was probably one of the things that most users just didn't like. Microsoft being a little aggressive, refusing to have the default apps that you want. So, what happened with that is that Microsoft at some point did open up and create a way of having, for example, your default browser, the browser that you want easily or better or more easily than it used to, at least. And what happens is that when you do this, you still have some quirks. There's still some apps. For example, if you use Microsoft Teams, you'll notice that that app defaults to Edge on links, even if that's not your default app. Well, Microsoft, in its latest blog post, has said that it'll make it easier for any apps and from any link, and from and not just for web, but for different types of apps that you need, that the system will respect the default browser, the default apps you use a lot more. And it says that actually it has a list of how to, choose your favorite app and make it, a default. And so this is a big advancement. I think it's Microsoft realizing, people want to have their own apps. And Microsoft did say in that blog post that one of the reasons people wanted their own apps, well, it's the way that it's actually creating a better workflow. But also, I think Microsoft understands that for performance, a lot of people use different apps because that app is better than another. It's either faster or in case of multimedia apps, you might have something else because the default Windows Media Player doesn't play everything. So it seems that Microsoft's going to ease on the default apps and let more and more of the defaults be the one when you click a link from anywhere within the system. And of course, they are showing several ways to have default apps of any kind, and how to default to that app from any other app. So I think Microsoft finally understands after 3 years, and it finally understands also maybe that the adoption rate to Windows 11 goes also with the fact that Windows 11 might be a little more user-friendly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.